What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now, I have something special, so stay with me. And here we go. We have a aerator. Manual aerator. This aerator is a little bit different. It has a spring on it. So I guess once you come down, you can step down and then it should go in. So we are going to check this out, test it, and see what this is like. There we go. All right, so it look like we got a pretty thick core right there. There we go again. All right, so this is doing pretty good. It's actually pushing the dirt back up. On the other one I got from Amazon a couple of, I think it was like a year ago. It goes in, but the cores don't really come out. It just keeps pushing in, and it's hard to push in. This is actually easier to push in. So let's take a look. Have the other aerator I was talking about right there, the manual aerator. I mean, that's it. But see, you don't get no cores coming out. So yeah, I'll do a review on that one. Another time. But this one actually gets cores coming out of it. All right, you guys, so here are the cores. The cores coming out pretty nice, and I really like this product. This is 30 bucks. You cannot lose with this. And that's about it. You know, I forgot to do the measurements for y'all. Got the measuring tape for y'all. Okay, so going from the floor to the handle is approximately 39.5 inches. So it's 39.5 inches tall just before you buy it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna give y'all my final thoughts on this aerator right here. Manual aerator. I love this thing. This popped up on my Amazon feed saying, you know, you might have something that you may like. And I was like, for 30 bucks? Yeah, I'll try this for 30 bucks. And I love this. As you can see in the video, this was actually easy to go into the ground. Other than, you know, better than this one. Now this one I did get from Amazon last year, and the plugs always get stuck in this thing. With this, the plugs actually push up easier. And in case you don't know about aeration, the best time to aerate your lawn is the day after it rains. If you want to do your whole lawn, I suggest that you go to Home Depot and rent a Ryan lawn aerator. One of my goals for the spring was to get a Billy Goat aerator. I might have to wait till September for that because I'm still doing renovations in the basement and blah 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 blah. I still have to do electrical work. As you can see, this is my garage, and I ran the 240 volt right there for my EV car sometime in the future. And then, you know, the regular outlets we got here. But anyways, I'm going off subject. So I wanted to get a billy goat, and it is a little pricey, my friends. The billy goat aerator is a little pricey. So I will not be getting the billy goat right now. Most definitely next spring. That thing is like $3,000. So we'll look into that. But right now, I just wanted to get the manual aerator because of the little areas in the yard I can go ahead and tackle with that. This one, I might put for sale on OfferUp. I'll give it away 10 bucks. You know, somebody can have an aerator. I think I got it for like 20. I can't remember. But I will look at the price on Amazon, and then I'll base the price, and I'll take about $10 off of that. But other than that, this thing is amazing. I love it. You know, 30 bucks, you cannot beat that. So with that being said, I do recommend this thing. This is so easy. Once again, aerate your lawn after it rains. Don't do it on dry soil. You will be suffering. I guarantee it. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe. And, oh yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified on all the new cool products I got coming to the channel. Put the notifications on all so you can be notified on all products that comes to the channel. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.